Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Oh my God, I'm so glad to be back. Even though I had a great 4 days for the Thanksgiving holiday, but eventually, guys, I started getting lazy. And yeah, it feels good to be back. So today is again Monday, December the 2nd. We're on our only job of the day. We're in the Marietta, Georgia area. This is a new client, Andrew, that actually found me online. He called me last Thursday, sent me pictures. I never came out here and looked at the floor. So I would say, guys, my consultations are more over the phone now, which I like it that way, unless I really need to go out and look at it, or if a client pays the $75 for me to come out and look at it. But most of the jobs that I'm doing now, guys, they're just booking from pictures and information. So this is 736 square feet, screen and recoat with UV cure. Let me show you what we're going to be doing today. All right, guys, so again, we are in Marietta. This is a new client. His name is Andrew. Found me on Google. We talked. He's moving into this house, and this is a perfect time just testing my grit. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, is we got these pine floors. I'm going to be doing these floors right here, then with this sitting and dining room connected with this kitchen right here. And then we're not doing these floors, but I am going to clean the floors for him while I'm here. And then also this master's, where my assistant Tavares, who's with me today, to set up the light, because that light doesn't work. He said, Courtney, I thought it was going to work before you guys got here, but that's why we keep a few of these lights in our truck. So what I want to be doing, again, screening, recoating. Really just want to get some good finish on this floor, and nothing gets better than the rad coat. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. Guys, we are cleaning and tacking these floors. Got a great screen on them. And again, guys, these floors, the clients, these are the type of clients, they just want some good protection on their floors. So I'm going to be going with the rad coat. All right, so we vacuum, we screen, vacuum, clean, and tacked, what we're doing now. And then get the rad coat going down. Might go off and have some lunch in the area, and then come back and UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, watch it. All right, guys, look how good these floors came out with that rad coat. It looks amazing. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and get the Jet Light UV machine going. My client, Andrew, is actually going to be pulling up soon. He said, Courtney, he did tell me, Courtney, I don't have to come. I see your videos, but I still like people to see it in person before we leave. And then also the masters. Oh, that looks beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and start getting these floors UV cure. Actually, I'll go ahead and start that now. Yep, green light is on. When that green light is on, it's ready. All right. And Tavares, I'm going to have Tavares film me when I get to the dining room. Really love the way he's been assisting me. Just the little things, man. Keeping my van organized, doing things that I don't even have to tell him to do. But one of the things I really appreciate Tavares is doing is the filming and taking pictures. Doing this, again, certain things that I can't do. So I actually met him from my other guy, Kevin. And he helps Kevin every now and then. And of course, with the wood floor maintenance, it's always good to have an assistant. All right, guys. Floor is going through the UV curing stage. This is what we can do now on site. This has been a service, well, not a service, but this has been a process that can only be done off site at the manufacturers. But the geniuses have figured out a way to do it on site. And I will say, man, people love this option. I'm gonna say right now, this year, Probably about almost 60% of my screen and recoat jobs were UV cured. I actually have to do one Wednesday, and I think I got one Friday. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. This is also a pine floor, which I do every now and then. The most popular floors that you guys see I do is a red oak, the world famous hand scraped engineered floor, and then behind that would be Brazilian cherry, and then behind that would be pine floors, and then anything after that would probably be like white oak, which I rarely see, bamboo floors, which I rarely see, birch. So yeah, most of the floors that I do is red oak, hand scraped engineered floors. That's what I mostly do. All right, guys. All right, guys. Down to the last stretch. My client Andrew is very, very happy with the outcome of the floor. And that's going to do it. So today was a great day. Glad to be back. Got a nice schedule this week. Got phone calls coming in. I know a lot of people are still on vacation. Usually December is a decent month. It's not as busy as like November, but it's still decent. So plan on having a great month this month and bring 2025 in with a bang. And yeah, all right, guys. Floor looks incredible. Rag coat satin. Oh guys, if you remember too, that house that I did in Loganville, probably about 6-7 months ago, it was that huge house, like I don't know, 15,000-20,000 square feet. The owner, David, I did his house in Knoxville, and then I did that house in Loganville. And the house in Loganville, we did the UV cure. He also messaged me yesterday, said, Courtney, just to let you know I didn't forget about you. I went and gave him an estimate to do the gym floors. And he said, we're still getting the walls in the gym painted, but I'll definitely have you out here within the next month to do the floors in the gym, and that's going to be a nice job. It's like 5,000 square feet, and it's also going to be UV cured as well, so that's going to be a really, really nice job. All right, guys. That's going to do it. Thanks again. We got a UV on Wednesday. Nothing tomorrow, but a few consultations.
The people that lived here, they didn't clean up a bunch of stuff.
Andrew, how the floors look, brother?
They look great.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. That's going to do it. See you in the next one.